Okay, so here we are. We are all packed up. I'm just getting the shoes on. We're gonna go and do. It's called Elk Falls, and there is a suspension bridge there, and a couple of nice views. So come with us and check it out. Abby's a little tired again today. She hasn't had her 14 cups of coffee. All right, we'll see you when we get there. Hello. So here we are, we're heading down to, I was gonna say Niagara Falls, the Elk Falls. Sun's trying to peek through, but there's still clouds. So we're trying to get down there and back before it does rain. So,
viewing area,
1.2 kilometers. Ah, it's just a little
whatever that says,
junction.
400 meters. So not very far.
Ah, it's a little short little trip. Should be fun.
Really sore.
So, all right, here we go. Yeah, nice little simple trail. So here's our first viewpoint of the waterfalls. So it looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice.
I like it.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Let's get there. Now we get to go and walk down some stairs. We're walking down these stairs, a beautiful set of stairs. So it's a really easy walk for people. So if you're looking for a super hard trail, this is not the trail for you.
Yeah.
But if you're looking for a good view, still nice little walk. So I'll show you. Let's see. Let's look at. Really nice, well maintained. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, it's probably close to. I don't know. I'm not really sure.
I have no idea, but
Let's look it up when we get around there.
all these stairs suck to go up. Oh, hello.
No. What a view, though. That's pretty nice. And then there is the suspension bridge. And you get to see over the top. So let's go for a walk down the bridge. Okay, walking along. Oh, this is a good view for. Yeah, pretty cool down here.
Yeah. I do not like this bridge though.
You don't like the bridge?
No.
You don't like the height, or you don't like the movement? Yeah. Yeah. And there's the top of the waterfalls. There is, yeah. Oh, hey, there is. Yeah. Okay, well, we got a lot of stuff to do. We gonna go fishing, and then Myra Falls, and yeah, we'd like to spend some more time here, but we do have lots of other things to do. Maybe we'll come back. It's not that far away from home, so but let's go fishing. So we're gonna do something a little bit different today. My son is close by, and him and his friend are going fishing, so we're gonna join them, and let's see if we can out-catch them.
Oh yeah.
So anyways, we're gonna go catch some fish, so
Hopefully.
we'll see you in a bit. Nice hoodie. Fishing happened. No catching happened, but fishing happened. Except I did catch a little minnow. I'll show you that right here. So.
Put a little picture right there.
Anyways, so yeah, we are. Listen. We are in the rain. It is raining right now. Pretty darn good. So that's why we're in the truck. And we're gonna go find some more water to go hang out with. We're going to check out Myra Falls. So I've never been up there. I did a lot of work in the mine up there, but never actually did any exploring up there. I would just go up there to do construction stuff up there and build, and then go to sleep and get up and do it. So anyways, we're gonna go check out Myra Falls and see what it's like. Should be pretty nice. All right, we will see you in a bit. All right, well, we are out here. Thank goodness it's kind of stopped raining. It's drizzling a little bit. Actually, nope, nothing at the moment. So it's a little bit of a hike, nothing major. I'm gonna go check it out. Apparently it's a pretty good view when we get there, so let's see. And if you want to know what the trail looks like, this is what it is. So really it's not bad at all. But okay, we're taking the trail, and we're gonna go to the upper part of the falls first and see the viewpoint. And then after that, then we're gonna go down to the bottom of them. Maybe we'll swim down.
Oh yeah.
That'd be fun. The trail gets a little bit more narrow, but it's still really easy traveling, easy walking. So you got a couple of rocks that you have to step over, but other than that, it's like a really nice path.
That looks scary.
Careful, it might fall.
Wait.
So the trail gets a little smaller. Here's a little glimpse of what you get to see. There's a little glimpse. So I think it's going to be worth our while to, let's go this way, to follow this trail. Not a lot of people go on this one, I don't think, but it is looking pretty amazing. Whoa, are you ready to look? You want to see this? Oh, it's pretty steep, so let's just be careful when we go around there. Wow, these rocks are a little slippery, so I'm not sure if you can hear me very well. with the power of this waterfall. So here you go. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. We're standing right on the edge. We can go up a little bit farther. Oh, it's a bit of a climb, and I don't know how much further we're gonna go because this is it's pretty slippery. So I'm gonna put you down. That's what we have to walk up to try and see. Might just walk out there to see if we can see any further, but I gotta put my camera down. Okay, here we are. Look at that. Falls just keep going all the way down. We can't get any further, but man, look at that. So we are going to head down to the bottom of the falls. I think it should be a great view looking up. It's a beautiful view looking down. But all right, here we're gonna go. What a great trip. What an amazing view. Okay, so I'm gonna yell because I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to hear me, but we are about halfway down the falls. If you look way up there, right up there, that's where we were. Just like 15 minutes ago. Now we walked all the way down that. And we have all this down there. And we can keep going all the way down. We're gonna see if we can get out onto the beach. Yeah, we're climbing. And there we go. Just step by step. Piece by piece. Don't know if we're going to be able to get past that there, but we'll find a different way. I want to get down on that ledge. I'm going to get down there and it just gets better and better and better. Incredible. So we couldn't get to the very bottom. The bottom of it is actually a cliff and it's just water. So we got a few more spots we're gonna try. I see a few trails and oh, look at that. She found some huckleberries. Oh, they look good. Delicious. I don't know. Guess I'm fairly new to the island. Not really. I've been here a lot of years, but growing up where I grew up, huckleberries were blue and bigger. I didn't know that there were small ones like these.
I've lived here my whole life.
They're good. Huh. I've lived here your whole life too. Okay, we found another trail and I can see the beach down there. So I'm pretty sure this will get there. I guess we'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, well, we got down to the lake. And we got a bit of a hike back. Oh, look at that. Look at Abby just found. Beautiful. I don't know my rocks or anything like that, but
I don't know either.
I know that looks cool. Yeah, it was quite the trip down, and the path is very well.
Old.
It's
Grown in.
not a lot of people use it, I'll say. So it's not that it's grown in, it's just not a beaten down path. Like, it's kind of like a deer trail. So yeah, there's obviously people that come down here for sure. Look at that.
Ooh, whoa.
Well, it looks like there used to be a lot of trees here. Yeah. But yeah, so we got a bit of a hike to go. We're going around the corner here. Beautiful down here. Look at that. Okay, well, we're walking across this really wet beach. And we're coming up to the river. No, we're not. Not quite. We're just, we are. I mean, we're probably 200 meters, 100 meters away, something like that. And, oh, so somebody has been down here recently, because there's footprints here.
There's quite a few, actually. There's a lot. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
it's quite a few. Oh, yeah. Why not? And I thought that we were explorers and the first ones to find this area. Nobody even knows about this area. It's not too many places on this earth that nobody has been. Pretty sure of that. Yeah. That's beautiful. Crazy how much water is coming down that. It's so powerful, those waterfalls. Okay, so we are gonna actually start hiking up. We didn't think that we could get down, but being at the bottom and looking up, I think we can get up. So we're gonna give it a shot. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film it because I'm gonna need all my hands. I need to buy a like a chest cam, which probably won't go very well. You know what? Maybe some meta glasses, because that would be great for this. I think that would work. Get Abby a pair, me a pair. That'd be great. Okay, so this is where we are, and we're going up, up there. I think I'm pointing to the wrong side. How come it's, oh no, it's just because the camera's reversed. So yeah, we're going up there. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we are just kind of gonna go up that path. I think we're gonna go right up that way. I think that will work.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're making it. Because it looks like a more beaten path.
Yeah, true.
Nope. Should have went left. We just go to the edge. Okay, well, sometimes I have to listen to my daughter. Oh, it is a steep climb. But we're killing it. We're killing it.
We're killing my legs.
Okay, Abby, your call. Left or right?
Right.
I said it was her call.
I didn't really look at it. So.
Oh, well, that's good. And we're still going. We're soaked. Not complaining, but we are soaked. Oh, the funny thing is, this is where we turned around and went the other way. Okay, well, we made it back to the main trail and we're going to continue on to the top, back
Let's
to
go.
the truck. Okay, we made it out. That was fun. That was a long ways up, but we did it. Tomorrow my legs are probably going to be burning. So right now we are just leaving the park, the waterfalls, and we're going to spend tomorrow and edit this video and send it out. We're not done our travels. We're just going to set up camp and we're going to edit and send it out while we have cell service. And because the next few spots we won't have any service at all. So yeah, don't forget to watch the next one.
Stay tuned for part 2.
Yeah, don't forget to like it, subscribe,
Leave a comment, share.
tell me if you want to do this.
Yeah. Come join us.
Yeah, all right. Okay, see you next time.
Peace out, Boy Scout.